Good morning, good morning. It's devotion time. Our scripture reading is taken to us from 1 Kings chapter 18 and verses 41. And Elijah said unto Ahab, Get thee up, eat and drink, for there is a sound of abundance of rain. God is reminding us this morning that even though it seems as there has been drought, there is a sound of abundance of rain. Remember that God's promises in our lives are true, and He has promised that He will take care of us. And so this morning, He's reminding us in His Word that regardless of how dry the time may seem, regardless of how difficult the season may look, in the horizon, there is a sound of abundance of rain. It's going to be raining in your life. The showers of blessing that He has promised is about to rain. What I want to say to us this morning, make sure that you put your house in order. Set your cup up. Get up, eat, drink, and be ready to collect the promises that our Father has made to you, to me, to all of us. See you tomorrow morning. Have a good one.